Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about a situation with AirPods. If you have only one AirPod working, I'll be going over how to fix it with this easy solution. I'll be going over a few solutions that you can use to hopefully fix the situation that you're in with only one of your AirPods working. Let's get right into the video. Solution number one is to put both AirPods in the charging case and make sure that they're both charging. You want to make sure that both of your AirPods are going in the charging case properly and that they're actually both connecting and making a charge using the light that you see, okay? If one of them is not charging, if you notice that the battery on one of them was low and didn't go back up and now it's not charging, then the reason that one AirPod is not working is because you likely have a charging issue, which can also be fixed easily using a few of the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. So you're going to follow the same process to try and fix it if you have a charging issue. But first, see if both of them are indeed charging. Secondly, what you want to do is you want to forget the AirPods as a Bluetooth device, and then you want to reconnect them, okay? So on your iPhone, very simple and straightforward, let's swipe up. You want to forget the AirPods and then reconnect them. So you want to go into your settings app, then you want to go into your Bluetooth option, and then you want to choose your AirPods. So you can see I have my AirPods there. You're going to click that little eye with the circle around it beside your AirPods, and you're going to click forget this device. You're going to forget the device. Okay, I'm just going to exit out of here just like that. And then once you've forgotten the device, you're going to reconnect them. To reconnect them, all that you got to do is bring them close to your iPhone when your iPhone is unlocked. Open up the case and it's going to try and connect them again, okay? So it could be an issue like that, and that oftentimes is the most efficient, effective, and easiest solution. So that will most likely fix the problem and work, okay? If not, you're going to move on to step or fix number 3. Step 3 or fix 3, which is to wipe both of the AirPods with your finger. Now, a lot of people will clean AirPods using like certain cloths and stuff, but at the end of the day, you know what? You just want to wipe the area where they make the connection like this with your finger. That's it. Just literally wipe it with your finger like that. Put them back in the case. Try and connect them again and see if that works. Hopefully that allows them to charge up again and start working again. And if that doesn't work, then what you want to do is you want to actually work with the AirPods and see if there's a glitch going on that you can fix, okay? So what you should do is basically open and close the case a few times, right? That's sort of, if there's something going on that's stuck in terms of the software or a glitch that's happening, that might fix it. And then you want to maybe pull the AirPod out, put it back in with both of them, or just the one that's not working. Do that a few times. Take them both out. Okay, put them both back in. Try and just do that a few times and see if that works. And hopefully that will fix the problem, because maybe they're like stuck on some software issue that it's trying to resolve. And hopefully this sort of doing this a few times will help get it out of wherever it's stuck in terms of a glitch or software issue. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.